Staff. Automate your organization's administrative and recruitment processes. Redefine the way you manage your resources with an intricately built AI-powered next-generation tool. As your organization grows, the necessities of its employees will grow with it. Manual procedures typically used in modest organizations don't scale very well as the employee strength develops. It prompts inefficiencies in the framework that can have adverse effects on the functioning of your business. Staff is a modern and new age enterprise-ready HRMS suite that empowers enterprises to automate their day-to-day HR processes. It improves and simplifies human interactions, delivers significant insights to build better working environments, and accomplishes their essential HR goals quicker and more effectively. Outfit your business with our incredible HRMS tool to accomplish peaking levels of individual performance. Staff HR management software aligns human capital with organization goals. Directly from acquiring the expertise in managing end-to-end HR operations, Staff is the payroll management system that empowers your business to harness the power of human energy. Reinvent your business with the best human resource management system. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader, proud Onpassive founder. For a complete list of facts and questions on our product, head over to www.onpassive.com. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.